At Euronics, we know that a modern home needs appliances that are efficient, reliable and easy to use. That's why we are proud to bring you the Hire X Series Heatpump Tumble Dryer. Designed with smart drying technology, energy efficiency and fabric care in mind, this dryer has features such as iTime function. This allows you to adjust the drying time of a program to suit your needs, giving you greater control over the drying process. It's got lint-free triple layered filtration. The lint-free filtration is designed to capture lint and fibres during the drying process, helping maintain an airflow and ensuring the dryer continues to perform efficiently. It has a super gentle care pillow drum design. The specially designed surface allows fabrics to glide gently over the drum whilst drying, and the benefit is it protects delicate fabrics, reduces wear and tear, helps clothes last longer. It's been tested for up to 20 years of use. The appliance has been tested for the equivalent of 20 years of use, giving customers confidence in its durability and peace of mind. It's got excellent efficiency thanks to its heat pump drying technology. Unlike traditional dryers that release hot air, heat pump dryers recycle warm air within the system to dry clothes efficiently. And the benefit to you is lower energy consumption, lower heat protects fabrics and reduces wear. This incredible Hire Heatpump Tumble Dryer brings together all these intelligent features in one sleek, modern design. And it's available in over 60 Euronics stores nationwide or online at euronics.ie.